Guys, this is one spectacular rowdy RM250, 1983 RM250 full floater. This is what we call a comprehensive frame off nut and bolt restoration to an 11. This thing is substantially better than it ever was stock. Lots of high-end upgrades on this thing, including a complete Racetech suspension package, including a custom-built Racetech shock with a remote reservoir and Racetech fork, forks built by Racetech. Over $2,000 just in the suspension components on this bike. Then they look at the Takasaga XL A60 wheels, laced with XL spokes to the original hubs, which were vapor blasted. New wheel bearings, new brakes, and shod with Michelin tires, Starcross tires, front and rear. The bike has 3 heat cycles on it and 5 minutes up and down the driveway. It's a brand new frame off build. Well over 70 hours of shop labor on this bike at $150 an hour. Easily $10,000, $10,500 in labor alone on the bike, and thousands in components. Starting with the engine, which is absolutely tuned to the nines. The carburetor on it it's got a brand new air filter, new carburetor, new reed valves, new intake boot, new fuel petcock, new fuel line and filter, and the engine was completely crank up rebuilt, new crank seals, new crank bearings. The piston is a brand new bore Wiseco 1.5 millimeter overboard, but making this a 257.6 cc whole shot monster. It'll lift the front wheel in every gear. It's an absolute rocket. New base gasket, new head gasket, all new bearings, crank seals, new top end bearings, new wrist pin, all new clutch components. You can see the water pump, everything's new in the water pump. All the hardware on the engine is new. The kicker is in brand new NOS condition. It's super tight. I think it's an NOS kicker. The rubber on it is brand new. You can see the intake boot on the airbox is nice and pliable in brand new condition. All the hardware is mint on it. The pegs have been upgraded with the PFR oversized platform pegs. And look how tight the original brake lever is. The frame rails on this bike are in mint condition. The frame was sandblasted and painted. It's original gloss black. Just a spectacular machine. Let me roll it back here a little bit in the sunlight. The original radiators on this bike are in really mint condition, and it has the steel radiator guards. This is absolutely the finest 83 RM250 we ever had through the shop. We've had a bunch of them. This one steals the cake. The fork lowers were professionally restored. The fork uppers are in mint condition. It has new fork boots on it. It has a new front brake cable, new front fender, new front number plate, custom Steiger designs, number plate graphics on here. Christy did these. New tag, aluminum bars with a Renthal crossbar pad, new works connection, clutch perch, clutch lever, clutch cable, bars, grips, kill switch, brand new Terry cable, gunner gasser, quick pull throttle with the new ODI Ruffian grips on here. New seat cover, new seat foam. The original tank was restored with new graphics, new radiator shrouds. The pipe is a brand new PFR hand-built cone pipe. Looks like something you'd see on a Works bike. The silencer is a new PFR custom-built Works type silencer. Just an absolutely beautiful machine. New full floater decals, new rear brakes, new rear brake cable, all new hardware. As you can see, just a stunning machine. And it absolutely hauls ass. Let me spin it around here. Show you this side. In the sunlight. Let me get out of the sunlight here. Same thing. Look at the brake backing plate. That was completely restored. The original brake backing plate. All new brake hardware, brake pads. You can see the Racetech remote reservoir with new mounts. All the new gaskets. This thing is a spectacular piece of classic moto weaponry. Check out the airbox on this thing. New air filter. The lid is in brand new condition. All the bearings are new on this bike. New steering head bearings, new swing arm bearings. All the linkage parts are super tight as a tiger. All new wheel bearings. It's what we call, again, a comprehensive frame off, no expense spared restoration. 70 hours of shop labor, which is $10,500, and just $2,000 in just the suspension. We're up to $12,500. If you keep adding with the pipe and everything else, I got to sit down and add it all up. But it's clearly a $15,000 full frame off restoration. This thing's ready to take to the line at the Ricky Carmichael Vintage Supercross in Daytona, or MX Rewind coming up here in Unadilla. It'll give, it'll absolutely destroy any other 83 on the line. If you don't pull a holy on this, you gotta look at yourself in the mirror. You effed up, because this thing hauls ass. New rear fender, all new hardware. Has these really cool white side number plates with the custom Steiger Designs graphics on here. Just a beautiful, beautiful machine. I probably left a few things off. If I did, I'll have those in the eBay ad. Check out the shock protector on the back here. It is new. Everything, look underneath here at the hardware in here. It is not a single nut and bolt on this bike that isn't in brand new condition. It's the nicest one we've ever had. It's a no expense. It's a diamond, and man, it is very, very fast. I wish I could take this bad boy out on the track and pull a few laps, but let the new owner do that and turn the gas off. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. This will be sold to the high bidder at eBay auction. And yeah, this bike, if this bike looks familiar, you might have seen it was on display at the Legends and Heroes booth at a couple of the East Coast Supercross bikes. It's an absolute showpiece. It belongs going into the second floor of the museum. It's a museum quality frame up restoration with all the best components, the best suspension, the best tires, the best chain of sprockets, everything, bars, everything on this bike is on the podium, and that's where this bike belongs. So if you're looking for the best, no expense spared, the best you'll find in this category, this is it. The shit just came in. Thanks for watching. God bless America.